Today's menu: Kimchi Boggumbab, and we are Go-Chuu. This is a very popular food in Korea that anyone can easily make, which means you can make it too. And now, let's get started. You need rice and ham, green onions, red gochu and Chungyang gochugaru, sugar, that's more like it, and Jinganjang, and of course, kimchi. As you know, we are very kind enough to give you the overall recipe menu, so capture this. Edible size, not too big. The end.
2 Go-Chus, ready on target.
Let's spice things up. If you want to add spiciness and color at the same time, slice this red guy and put him in.
Are you stressed out these days? That's how we solve our stress.
Yeah, edible size. Sliced kimchi? Just buy it. First, 5 tablespoons of olive oil. But you can use any cooking oil you like. Now, a handful of sliced green onions. Fry the green onions until the scent fills your nose. Yeah, looks like we have a green imposter here. From here on, things are gonna get hot. If you don't like spicy food, you can just skip this part. Oh my, look at that color. To add a little beefiness, a handful of bacon or ham. We used ham in this video, not a big difference. Oh yeah, don't forget to push the like button and subscribe. Now add a little sweetness by putting 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then add a half tablespoon of Jinganjang and stir fry it with the rest. It's the end game now. Change the music. Finally, today's protagonist, 1 cup of kimchi. Now mix the kimchi with the other ingredients. By the way, if you use over-fermented kimchi, it gives a little more rich flavor to the recipe. Last but not least, add in 1 teaspoon of Gochugaru. Oh yeah, make sure to mix well. Okay, let's add the rice. Here's what we're gonna do. To add a crispy texture to the recipe, we're gonna pressure the rice twice. This is the first time, and this is the second time. And we're done. Simple, right? And now, with the first intro music, we top in the egg. Dried seaweeds are more tasty when you crush them with your bare hands. Voila! 맛있게 드세요.